Well, I'm out here a little bit earlier to see if I can get more of the sun off of my face. And got an interesting topic I want to cover today because, as you know, I'm trying to get my videos, try to get each one a little bit better. And I checked the internet and a whole bunch of places about video editing said, use AI, use AI. You can generate an entire video, with AI voice and AI face and AI this and AI that. And I just want to talk to you guys about the whole idea of using AI because, I'd like to get your opinion on it. It's kind of weird. I'm trying to get the best lighting so you can see my face. Here's my experience with AI. My son graduated with a degree in mechanical engineering, and he uses AI a lot, but he also finds that the AI is wrong. He goes, he'll try to have it figure out some mechanical engineering thing, and the answer the AI gives him is completely wrong. Uses the wrong formulas and gets the wrong answers, and he has to explain to the AI that it's wrong, which I found kind of interesting. And I also have a friend who's a judge who says that lawyers are using AI to come up with defenses or something like that. And he goes, a lot of times the AI will cite a case that never happened. Can you believe that? It'll say so and such case, and the case is not real. So AI is a little strange. I went out and took a look at a lot of the AI generated content in YouTube, and wow, it was technically almost flawless, but didn't have any soul. To me, it was almost like, you can't believe it's a burger that's made out of whatever that's not meat. Yeah, I can believe it's not a burger. I've had those and they don't taste like hamburger at all. Well, a lot of these AI websites or these AI YouTube videos, if you take a look at them, the person whose figure is generated, they never move. Their mouth moves, but I don't think they even blink. You can tell they're not breathing. And the AI voice, they're going along really good until they have to come up with a person's name, and they go, they screw the name up, or they go ... You hear that in there. So, and a lot of these videos I've watched, and tell me if you have felt this too. You watch an AI generated video, and 15 minutes into it, you're like, wow, they've said a lot, but they haven't told me anything. It just, it's hard to explain, but like an AI video to me just doesn't have any soul. So, I could use AI to maybe find some background information, some facts or something like that, for a possible idea, but I don't know. It's a different world for my son and for myself. I'm looking at AI and I'm like, man, it's missing soul. And he's used to just growing up with AI, and he has no problem with it. He knows to know enough about the topic to know if it's wrong or not. So I'm curious to see what you have to say about this, because AI is out there, and it's getting closer and closer to being almost human. But the strange, for me, the closer it gets to being human, the creepier it is. I've watched a lot of these medical YouTube videos Or after about 5 minutes in, I realized the doctor that's talking to me is not a doctor. It's an AI generated figure because, you know, he hasn't blinked in 5 minutes and he just, I don't know, you can tell, at least I can tell when it's not a real person. So you won't ever see me as AI. I don't believe you will. And that's why you'll get to watch all the screw ups and the background jigglies and all that other stuff that you won't find in an AI video, but you'll find in one of mine. So I'm curious to see what you think. I mean, in your RV travels and in your daily activities, do you use AI? You know, I have sometimes for like finding routes from point A to point B, or, you know, but I'm curious. I'm just really curious to see how AI is getting to become a part of your life or not becoming part of your life. So let me know in the comments. And this was a weird one because I went looking and everybody's pointing to AI and I'm like, maybe I'm an old fart, but it's just not for me. So let me know your thoughts, and I'll keep posting if you keep watching. Thank you so much. GoPro video off. Video off. GoPro turn off. GoPro stop.